Okay, so what we're doing here is Carrie's has a bunch of Christmas lights on. Her car, took it over to James's house after I put my computer on it. My computer said it had a wheel speed sensor outage, but didn't tell me which one. We took it over to James's house, did a quick run around, and determined that through his computer and his live data feed that it was the left front. So I went on Amazon, got some. We're going to try to swap it out. Possibly back to his house, clear out the codes, and see if it fixes the problem. So let's get started. So right there is our O2, our speed sensor. We're gonna pull that plug off, get in there, get that number 6 hex bit out, and it should pop right out. So we will see. Finally got this thing off. For me, it was easier just to lay down on the ground, put my head up, and stare in there and kind of get it from the bottom and pry it out. It's a huge pain in the ass, but just be patient and keep working with it. You'll get it. Now I got to get a hex bit and get that out. Really stuck in there. Take this guy. Wiggle him back in there. It's crazy to think you're putting a piece of plastic on a cast piece of metal. Put our hex bit back in there. Tighten it down. Don't go too tight with it. Take our plug, pop it back in. Now, hypothetically, as far as the repair goes, that's it. Longest part of that procedure is A, taking the tire off, B, getting that stupid plug off, putting the tire back on and clearing the codes. So we're going to get all that done. One of the things I want to point out to you, there's two. One's long, one's short. One's thicker, one's skinnier. The short ones go up front. The long ones go in the rear. So when you pull the front one out, make sure you put the short one in. Don't try to cram the long one in, that will not fit. Short front, long rear. It's hot. Sorry for the air conditioning, but it's extremely hot in Florida. It says it's 78 degrees, but okay, so I cleared my codes with my computer, but they did not go away until I started driving down the street. So they were all still there until I started driving down the street. Now you can see they're gone. So today is June 22nd, and I will update you guys in a few days to let you know if the problem's fixed. It is now Tuesday. It's been 2 days. I've been driving it to work, and the lights are still out, so I think that's going to chalk that up to a fix. My issue turned out to be the front left speed control sensor. I am going to change the other 3 out, but there you go. So if you guys have that issue, hook a computer up to it, and if you get an error about a faulty circuit on your speed control sensor or something related to your anti-lock brake system, all that seems to be controlled by the same sensor.
This has been a Digital 410 production.